We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update, brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Marcus Brix with the CattleFax update. Fed cattle cash prices jumped to a new annual high on Thursday, April 27th, averaging $136.93 per hundredweight. This number was $5.12 higher than cash in the week prior. CattleFax measures market momentum by comparing a current cash price in relation to the 100-day moving average. Momentum pushed as high as 111.7%, meaning Thursday's cash was 11.7% above the 100-day moving average, a 4.3% jump in one day. For the first time in 2017, due to the abrupt rise in price, momentum exceeded the second standard deviation from the mean. This highlights how extreme the price change was. A move beyond the second standard deviation is something that happens only 5 observations out of 100. The higher prices were discovered with a boost to negotiated cash cattle volumes. Most cattle are purchased on a grid or formula base, where some cattle are negotiated in the cash market and the rest are priced up at ease. Last week, negotiated cash volumes totaled 28% of weekly steer and heifer slaughter, second highest for the year. Year to date, higher volumes of cattle are being sold in the cash market, averaging 22% of slaughter versus 19% year to date in 2016. Volumes in negotiated sales tend to increase as the market searches for a seasonal high, with sellers of fed cattle trying to sell at the top. Another good indicator of the market nearing a seasonal high would be a declining spread between cash prices and delivered forward price cattle. As cash prices make a run higher, forward contract cattle often don't keep up with the magnitude of the price increase, so spreads can widen. USDA reported delivery prices on last week's forward contracts averaged $114.63 per hundredweight. Cash prices were more than $20 per hundredweight higher than the forward contracts and held the widest recorded cash premium since 2012 at 18%. Cash prices have performed better than forward contracts throughout 2017, but especially so in the past 3 weeks, with premiums in the 10 to 20% range. The market should not be very concerned if those cash premiums retract some from these levels, but if forward prices turn premium to the cash, this signals a market trend change. Forward prices were premium over cash prices for almost all of the downtrend in 2015. For Angus Report, CattleFax, I'm Marcus Brix.
To learn more about CattleFax, your leading source for beef industry market information, visit CattleFax.com.